Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Weekend Watch Repair. My name is Adam. Well, we made it. This is the giveaway winner announcement for the 5K subscriber giveaway watch. This is an all original 1972 6139-6012 Seiko chronograph, affectionately referred to as a Bruce Lee, although more correctly, it is a deep blue, as explained in the video. All these models are called Bruce Lee, though. This thing is in fully original condition, with the exception of the jewel upgrade being done. And this thing is just running phenomenally. I'm going to do some quick function testing here as you see me kind of go through this stuff. But since this watch was completed, I've had it in a winder the entire time, with the exception of a few times just taking it out randomly to put on the time grapher just to ensure that everything's running good. And I'm happy to report this watch is running just beautifully. Tell you what, this watch is pretty good shape for being 51 years and 5 months old. But everything ran great. And I'll say it's been a lesson in restraint to not put this watch on and wear it throughout the day. But I'm happy to report I have refrained. I had to keep telling myself this is not my watch. This is going to be somebody else's. So it's been safely in the winder and tested regularly since being completed. But I think it turned out great, and I'm really excited to bring this video to you and to announce the winner. So without further ado, let's get into it. So I have my YouTube page open here, and what I'm going to do is come over here and copy the link to the video for this watch. And we'll take that link up here and put it in this YouTube random comment picker. Paste that link in here. There we go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to disable the include replies, and allow duplicates is disabled already. So what this is going to do is count unique users who've left a comment. And we'll let this thing count up here. All right, let's see who the winner is. Congratulations, Russell Lee. Russell, you've won yourself quite a fantastic original 1972 Seiko chronograph. I must say, congratulations. So per the contest rules, Russell, I need you to contact me at the email address you see at the top of your screen, weekendwatchrepair@gmail.com. Please just send me a screenshot of you logged into your YouTube account under the winning account name. We'll exchange some information via email, and I will get this watch shipped to you. Again, I will not ask you for any payment. This is 100% free to the winner. So Russell, just contact me within 7 days. We'll verify that you have the winning account. We'll exchange some information. I will ship this watch to you, and I will provide you tracking as well. So once again, congratulations, Russ. This is just an awesome original watch. I would like to say thank you to everyone who supported this channel. It really means an awful lot to me. It's never been about subscriber count, but I think these big milestones are worth doing something on, and I really appreciate you all coming with me. So ladies and gentlemen, that is the video. I appreciate it beyond words. Thank you so much for joining me. And oh, by the way, I am hard at work on the next watch. The first project for 2024 is going to be something really special. I'm waiting on a part shipment to arrive, but I hope to bring you that one real soon. So thanks everyone. Take care of yourself, and we will see you on the next one.